This very small dot with number 79 is potentially a total game changer when it comes to moving average filters. It's really blowing my mind, and I'll tell you everything today in this video. Hi, my name is Tomas, also known as the Mr. Breakout. I'm a breakout trading specialist and an internationally recognized trading author. I've traveled the world trading breakout strategies, and on this channel I will teach you my own way of finding the right trading opportunities and making real money with breakout trading. Hi and welcome back, breakout trading traders and breakout trading funds. So what I'm going to share with you today is something very practical, something that really got my attention like nothing for a long time, and something that definitely, if you deploy it, will improve your trading. So first of all, last week I introduced a deep analysis of filters on crypto, on Bitcoin. Now, if you do not trade Bitcoin, please stay with this video. It's really powerful what I'm going to share with you. And in that video, I actually share with you deep, thorough analysis of 100 different filters which I analyze on Bitcoin, on crypto trading. I used a special framework which I already explained, so just very quick reminder, I generated 100 different filter and different indicators and different indicator-based filters ideas with AI. I prototype thousands of breakout strategies, well, thousands on indexes. In case of crypto, it's more hundreds. I prototype hundreds of breakout trading strategies with the Mr. Breakout's formula, which, by the way, is the formula you can see here, the Mr. Breakout formula, very profitable formula, which works on crypto as well. You can get it completely for free on this link below. Okay, so you can download the entire formula here. And then what I did next, I actually used the BreakoutOS. And in BreakoutOS, I split actually before I used BreakoutOS, I generated all these hundreds and hundreds of strategies using in sample and out of sample split, so we can make sure that the analysis is done on both in sample and out of sample, and we're not just overfitting. I generated these strategies with TradeStation, and then I uploaded all the results into the BreakoutOS. And in BreakoutOS, I can already do all this thorough analysis to see which filters work and which do not. If you're curious what works on crypto overall or what the findings were, don't forget to watch the previous video. But today I'm going to talk about something specific and something that kind of blew my mind. So in the previous video, we went through clusters, okay? We went through these filter clusters when we saw that volatility works very well in sample, volatility works very well out of sample, and then also we have a pretty good out of sample, or second best in our out of sample category of filters are moving averages. On robustness index, sorry that we didn't want to, something's not popping up here. Anyway, you can watch the video before. So on the video before, we just saw that volatility, moving averages, two interesting areas. I do not need to go here deeper than that. You can watch the video. But today I'm going to talk about the overall best indicator, okay? And the overall best indicator is something which blew my mind, and I'll tell you why. So the overall best indicator, okay? So if we go to in sample, and now we have 100 different indicators, 100 different conditions, and we want to check the very best one for crypto. And again, even if you do not trade crypto, stay with me because I'll explain why. It's much deeper than that. So on in sample, pretty much nothing unusual, like few different places all over the place, different conditions. I didn't pay much attention. I'll just explain second why. On out of sample, it was a different story. So number one was indicator or condition 79, exponential moving average slope. Again, I'll explain, stay with me. Then I went to robustness index, which basically tells me which indicator is the most robust. That means it improves the overall metrics the best in out of sample and in sample as well. So it's not just overfit indicator, it's not just overfitted study. It's a true comparison of in sample and out of sample. And it was moving average slope. So you see, guys, here is the pattern. So exponential moving average slope, the very best one in out of sample, and the moving average, this is the simple moving average, the best one in robustness index. That means the most robust filter, the most robust indicator, which improved significantly both in sample and out of sample, and it's not just a matter of overfit. And then when I go to the total score, the very best crypto indicator was actually moving average slope, and exponential moving average slope was the fourth one. And I'll tell you the conditions. Stay with me. Now I'll tell you what is so mind-blowing about all this study. So you see, like, whichever way we look at this particular Bitcoin-based indicator study, we see that we can have big improvements using moving average slope indicator and exponential moving average slope indicator, among others. The others, we can talk about them later in different videos. I don't feel like talking about those right now. I want to talk about this, and I'll show you how much these improve actually, number 50 and number 79. So you'll see in a second. Now, what is so mind-blowing, this is repeatedly already another time, in many times before, I've seen similar results on completely different markets, Nasdaq, gold, from what I remember, Nikkei. I just tested a bunch of markets. By the way, if you want me to test some particular market, write me down below which one you want me to test. And also don't forget to subscribe, because I'm revealing studies like this every week, and every week sharing what works. So it's really something which I've been seeing so many times work on many different markets. And you can go back in my channel, and just recently I, for example, released this video. This moving average changes everything. It was same study on different market, same results. Moving average, I think that case it was exponential moving average slope, the best results. I even did study, which was sometimes a few months ago, when I asked AI to improve my favorite trading indicators and create some new trading indicators. And I don't recall exactly which video it was. I think it was this one, okay? I fixed Nasdaq strategy with AI moving average. When again, I got incredible results. Like, I was like, what on earth is going on? And then I created a second video called, is this the AI slope moving average any good? And again, fantastic improvements. Guys, we're on something. This is game changing. We found universal condition, whatever angle I use, whichever markets, whatever I do, this condition works again and again and again, and is among the top ranking filters and indicators, just whatever I do. This is very hard to see. You do not get to see this really often. It's very rare to really see one thing work so consistently across many studies, many markets. So let me show you the exact condition, what it is and how it works, because you need to deploy this. Whatever you do, whatever you trade, you need to deploy this. So let's get to it, but first a very quick word from our sponsor. And now a very quick shout out to our sponsor, BreakoutOS. In the new era of AI, everything you know about building trading strategies has changed completely. Old generalist principles no longer work, and that's why BreakoutOS is a complete game changer. It is a highly specialized no-code platform built for the AI revolution. It's the choice of true breakout trading professionals, from leading retail traders to hedge funds managers. This will fundamentally transform your workflow and change your trading forever. See the paradigm shift for yourself and sign up for a completely free walkthrough at www.breakoutos.com. Okay. Now let's get back to this fascinating study. So, we know it works, it just works, period. Now, what is really this condition, what it looks like, and how much does it improve results? So let me show you. I'll show you specifically here on the crypto how much it improves results. But basically the condition is very simple. The condition is saying for both moving average or exponential moving average, and you can actually try any type of moving average, okay? I think this is general formula. I see results in exponential and simple moving average because that's what I got coded in the test of filters. Now, this is the condition. So basically what we do, we take a moving average, like the simple moving average, okay, of some period. Now the period I optimized 1 to 20 multiplied by 5. So that means I optimized 5 to 100 period, step 5 on 60 minutes time frame. You can play with optimization, that's a different story. It works on many different optimization and metrics, that's not important. And then you take the same moving average and see if, but you shift it by 1 bar. So you take the latest value of the moving average and the value 1 bar before, that's this small one, okay? That small one, that means 1 bar before. So now you're comparing the previous bar and now's bar's moving average value, and if currently it's up or down, and you need to test both conditions, doesn't really matter, then it's rising, so there's a slope, okay? And now you can define how big of a slope. So you can do this in absolute value, so that it depends on the scale of your market and absolute value, or in percentages. And actually percentages would be correct because it would be normalized. So I would change this condition to percentages, and not necessarily we always need to see the opposite condition on the short sides, because sometimes we have mean reversion markets. So you need to try both, okay? Like both bigger, if it's increasing or decreasing for both long and short. And then you can even try compare not just 1 bar back, you can try to compare few bars back. But really that's it. It's super simple, it just works like magic. Now let me show you how well this works. So if we go back to, if we now do detailed filter analysis and we take number 50, which I have here. So on all in sample and out of sample, we're improving net profit, decreasing max drawdown, improving average trade, improving win percentage, improving net profit drawdown ratio. In sample, again, improving all the metrics, net profit, average trade, win percentage, net profit drawdown ratio. Out of sample, the same, net profit, average trade, win percentage, net profit drawdown ratio. If we look at 70, 79, which is the same, just using exponential moving average, but besides that's completely the same condition, again, same story. All average, all improvements across the board. In sample, a little bit worse, but remember, here we actually had simple moving average higher on crypto than exponential. So on crypto, we would use simple moving average, not the exponential, out of sample across all boards. So this is the proof that this condition is rock solid. It works like magic. You can definitely very easily deploy it into the Mr. Breakout's formula. Again, the whole formula which I used to do this test and which I used to actually build hundreds and hundreds strategies to prototype them very quickly, completely for free below this video. But mind-blowing, simple yet very effective. Listen, trading does not need to be complicated. You can do very simple things, very simple approaches like breakout trading. Again, Let me show you just here. So this is the formula I'm using. Again, this is the formula on the free link below. This formula combined with smart filter like the one I just presented, you can start building profitable breakout strategies on any market right away. So what do you think? Let me know your thoughts below. Now I'm going to do many more studies like this, so please give me like if you like studies like this, so I know you want me to do more videos like this. And don't forget to subscribe, because each week I do studies like this, and I'm going to share more and more. And again, share your thoughts in the comments below, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next one. So happy breakout trading. All you need are breakouts. Let your spirit